हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फाइनली हमारा जो वीडियो है वो आ चुका है, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट वाइबस मैट्रिक्स, जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आने वाला है और आपको इसमें से बहुत सारा सीखने को मिलेगा कि हाउ टू कैलकुलेट वाइबस मैट्रिक्स, और इसके एग्जांपल्स मैं लूँगी। और फर्स्ट हम वाइबस मैट्रिक्स कैसे बनाते हैं वो भी हम यहाँ सीखेंगे। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। So here I taken one figure. It's a basic Vibus matrix. You can see the basic Vibus matrix figure. There we have a 4 bus system, 1, 2 and 3, 4, and we having a 4 uh, power, that G1, G2, G3 and G4. Okay, so this figure is common in all the examples in any exam taken. So now power network, you can see the power network. I draw the power network if we taken a node 1, so we can see here there is a y10. We taken a reference bus 0. Okay, reference node 0 is there, and I draw this much type of figure. Now when we get called y11, you can see in this concept y11 means what? Admittance connected with a node 1. Okay, so it is a self admittance. Okay, so ji is equal to y, summation of k is equal to a 1 to n yik vk, where I is equal to 1 2 to n. And if we write this in a matrix form, so we get j bus is equal to y bus v bus. Okay, so now v bus is equal to what? Z bus into j bus. Okay, so now put the value of v bus in a previous equation. J bus is equal to y bus v bus, so we can get z bus is equal to y bus inverse, or z bus is equal to 1 upon y bus, and y bus is equal to z upon 1 upon z bus. Okay, so this is very important that you should know that what is given in a particular example. Okay, so if they give us a r, okay, so you have to convert it in a Vibus matrix or admittance. Okay, so now we are going further. Now the Vibus equation of Vibus matrix. Here I am not solving any difficult type of calculation. I directly go through this equation. Vibus is equal to A transpose Y into A. Okay, so here we have a linear graph which is dependent on a previous power flow circuit, which I saw in previous slide. So you can see that we having a 4 nodes and one reference node as a 0. Okay, so now you can see this figure. From this figure we are going to convert it in a tree and Cauchy form. Okay, so here solid line represent the branch and dotted line represent the leaves. Okay, so first we having a 4 branch here. Okay, and we having a 5 links here. So from the tree and Cauchy concept we are getting this much. So we having a 4 branch, so VB1 is equal to V1, VB2 is equal to V2, VB3 is equal to V3, and VB4 is equal to V4. Now we want to find V15. Okay, so we are going through this figure. You can see what between 1 and okay, so we want to get v15. Okay, so first we go through a link 5. So link 5 is connected between node 3 and node 4. So we can write it as a v3 minus v4. You can see that now we want to get v16. So at uh, the link 6 is connected between 2 and 3. So we can write v3 minus v2. Okay, now we want to get a v17. So link 7 is connected between 1 and 2. So we can write this as a v1 minus v2. And then we want to get v1 weight 8. Okay, so now we write this like a v4 minus v2, and we want to get v19. Okay, so we write it as a v3 minus v1. Okay, this is clear. I hope this is clear to you. Now we going further. Now v is equal to a v bus, a into v bus. Okay, where the bus includes the matrix A is. Okay, now we are uh, going to convert this one in a matrix. So we can show here, you can see here we having a 4 branches. Okay, you can see here we having a 4 branches and 5 co-tree branches, or you can say links. Okay, so what is a v1 here? b1 b1 is what? 1. So here uh, here we having a nodes 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so v1 is like as a 1. Now you can see here vb2 is equal to v2. So we can write here y22, or we can write second row as a 0 1 0 0. Now with vb3 is what? v3. Okay, so we can write this, it has a 0 0 1 0. Now we going through it, we can you can see this concept. Now we are talking about links here. Okay, so v15 is v3 minus v4. So v3 is 1 and v4 minus v4, we having a minus v4, so we can write here minus 1. Okay, so you can get a bus matrix like this. Okay, now we going through, we having a y bus matrix like this: v y10 y20. This is a nodes to ground or nodes to reference bus. Okay, so y10 y20 y30 y40. Okay, now we having a y34 y23 y12 y24 and y13. Okay, this is a admittance matrix y. Now y into a. Okay, so y into a is what? You can see here. Okay, okay, you can see here y into a. Okay, so y is here. You can see y10 into 1. Okay, so you can get this y10. Now y20 into 1, so y20, y30 into 1, so you can get y30. Okay, y40 into 1, so you can get y40. Now y34, so y34 into 1, is y34 and y34 into -1, so minus y34. You can get this all the terms by multiplication of y and m matrix. Okay, so now we want to get a matrix y. What is a y bus? Y into a transpose. Okay, so now we gonna take a transpose of a matrix and then we will multiply this matrix with a transpose. Okay, so we can get 4 cross 4 matrix here. Here we having a 4 cross 9 matrix and A transpose is 9 cross 4 matrix. The multiplication of this matrix will be a 4 cross 4 matrix. You can see here, and first remember that here this equation is very important to you or to us because it is a very easy to understand and easy to remember. So this old term is known as y11. So y11 is what? The admittance connected to a all the admittance connected to a node 1. Y22 is what? Admittance connected to a second node. And the third one is y33 is what? The admittance connected to a थर्ड नोड. एंड जो फोर्थ वाला होगा y44. what is y44? Admittance connected with a fourth node. Okay, you can see here. I will show you. Wait just a minute. Okay, so you can see up in a power network. What is a y11 here? y10 y plus y13 plus y12. Okay, get it? Now we want to find y22. Okay, so what is a y22? All the admittance connected to a node 2. So what is this? y12 plus y23 plus y24 plus y20. Okay, done. Now you want to get y33. So what is y33? y13 plus y23 plus y34 plus y30. Okay, this is a y33. And what is a y44? A admittance connected to a fourth bus. So what is it? y40 plus y24. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay, this is the terms which we have. Now I taken one example, that's why this concept is more clear to you. So this is our example. We having a line bus is here. In any exam you only have this much type of value and you have to calculate y bus matrix. So if in an example there is a r and x is given, so now first I told you then line bus we having a 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 2 4 and 3 4. Okay, r is equal to 0 0.05 0 0.10 0 0.15 0 0.20 0 0.05 and x is equal to 0 0.50 0 0.50 0 0.30 0 0.45 and 0 0.30. Okay, so this is a terms of z bus. Okay, you can write it as this z is equal to r plus j x. Okay, this is a normal things you have. Okay, so from this equation you can write this z12 is what? 0 0.05 plus j 0 0.15. z13 is what? 0 0.10 plus j 0 0.15. z123 is what? 0 0.15 plus j 0 0.3 or 30. 0.24 is what? 0.20 plus j 0.45. Z34 is what? 0.05 plus j 0.30. Okay, you can verify this with a particular solution. Now we want to get y12. Okay, so y12 is what? So in a previous I am told you that y is equal to 1 upon z. Okay, y is equal to 1 upon z. You can see that. Okay, so now you can see y is equal to 1 upon z. Okay, so we having a z matrix as 0.05 plus j 0.15. So if we calculate it, so y is equal to 1 upon 0.05 plus j, what is the j here? Okay, 0.15, j 0.15. So if we want to get y term, so we want to multiply it by its conjugate. Okay, so what is the conjugate of 0.05 plus j 0.15? It's a 0.05 minus j 0.015. Okay, so you can get this term, this much that, and as y12 you can get y13, y23, y24 and y34. Okay, so now if you want to get y bus matrix, so it is a direct formula for it. You can apply it in any example, that y11 is y11 y10 plus y12 plus y13. Okay, and y20 plus y22 is equal to what? Y20 plus y23, and you having all values. Okay, so just put it in this particular term and you can get a answer. It's a very easy process to learn. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with this. So thank you for seeing my video, and